guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Alex. This is my YouTube channel, and today I am back. I haven't filmed in so long, and I feel like today is just going to be more of a chill, get ready with me, chit chat kind of vibe, but I also have something special to review, kind of first impression of the Huda Beauty, Huda. Why do I feel like I'm saying it so weird now? I'm also going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty palette, the new nudes, so I'm super excited about that. Why not just kind of do more of a chill video instead of having everything so perfect, having like perfect background, perfect lighting. I ain't got time for that anymore, so this is what you're gonna get. And I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's get started. Please don't mind my hair. I have no idea what to do with it. I'm getting it cut soon, like chopping it, so I feel like I'm gonna be rambling this whole video. So if you're down with that, stay tuned. If not, then exit out now. But yeah, I'm doing my brows now, and I'm actually using a product that's just a sample from Sephora. It is the Kat Von D like liner. Wait, the sample is the Kat Von D long wear pomade. So it looks like this. This is the black one, but I'm using the dark brown one. I just got a sample of it last week and I've been using it in my brows and I'm obsessed with it. The formula, the color, it is so good. It's super creamy, but it like kind of dries down like a powder. My birthday is in 6 days, so kind of excited, kind of don't care. Turning 25, feeling old. Weirdly. Let me turn my computer off because it makes weird fucking noises all the time. I'm just gonna go put my brows on. I'll be right back. Okay, brows are on. These are actually pretty bold from what I normally do every day, but I figured we're gonna be doing some cool eye look today, so we might as well match the brows to the look. Just gonna take some clear MAC brow gel, which is obviously no longer anywhere close to being clear because I use it every single day on top of pretty much black product. Okay, so I'm going to take the Pro Longwear NC35 and I'm basing my eyelids with this. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit of like a really light color of the Tarte Shape Tape because I really want these colors from the palette to pop. Ooh, that was a good one. Taking a little Shop Miss A AOA Studio brush, which I am literally low-key so obsessed, well high-key, so obsessed with all of their brushes, their face brushes, their eye brushes. Not gonna lie, like really good. Let's do this. I am rambling. I've had 2 coffees today. Actually, 1.5. Now we're gonna fill in the rest. Anyway, I'm really happy to be back, and I hope you guys are happy I'm back or even care, but this is really light. So we're going to now move on to the eyes. I'm not even gonna set my eyelids. We're just gonna move right into it. This is what the palette looks like that I'm gonna be using today. It is so stunning. It is the new Nude palette by Huda Beauty. I've only heard amazing things about this, really. I think I'm gonna do some sort of like glitter cut crease today. So I'm gonna take the color LoveBite, which is the darkest shade in the palette. So we're gonna use a MAC 283 brush. It's just a flat but fluffy brush. So obviously if you have a really big and round eyelid and eye space, then you can obviously just go right into your crease area, but for me, I don't really have that, so I kind of have to fake where I want it. So that's why I'm kind of looking straight. Okay, so that is the shape that I'm going to be working with. It's a little different. Most people would have like a curve, but kind of living for it. It's kind of cool. So I'm just going to do the same to the other side. I'm just going to blend that out a tiny bit now. Just with the same brush for right now. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go over it with another color. Now I'm going to take a little 221 brush and we are going to take the color Spanked, which is this one right here. Okay, so we are going to pop this like pretty much right on top, but just letting a little bit of the product blend on the perimeters of the color. Kind of shimmying back and forth and a little bit of a circular motion. Okay, so now I'm taking, I think it's a 217, but it's like really fucked up and old. It's missing a lot of hairs, but I love it because it's small enough to get just right in there. So the next color we're going to take is Play, which is that peachy shade right here. And this is going to go like right where that pinky color is meeting my skin. Now going back into Spanked a little bit and just really defining that color again. Okay, going back into that first color, LoveBite, and just really defining exactly where I'm going to go and cut the crease. So we are taking another AOA Studios brush, and this is the E121 brush, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. So I think I want to do like a shine into glitter. So what I'm going to do is take the color Kinky, which is this metallic shade, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner meeting that purple line. Kind of blending it in with the glitter. Okay, so we're going to go on to liner. I'm taking the Brush Stroke Liner by MAC, as usual. I'm out of breath because I ran downstairs to grab this. So quickly, I am actually going to add a little glitter line, like right through the cut crease. And I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glam Rock to do this. I just did the silver, and I was about to pop my lashes on like off camera, but I went to grab my lash applicators and I wanted to show you guys my new babies. These are from Forever 21, believe it or not, and they are so cool because they pick up your lash, so you have to squeeze them to open them, and then they pick up your lash, and once it's on there, you literally don't have to like squeeze them together. You can just hold it, let them dry, wave them, and they have a really good grip on them. And then when you pop them on, position exactly where you want it and then squeeze to let go. It's weird because it's like the reverse of what you would normally do. So we're gonna move on to the face. Super excited. I already prepped my skin with Skin Drink and, well, it's not really prepping, but moisturizing. I'm gonna prime with the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer by Too Faced. I like this stuff because I use a lot of strobe cream with my foundation, and it gives me a really nice, like, healthy glow look, but then I end up getting like real oily like halfway through the day. Let's do some foundation. I have literally honestly not been wearing foundation often. I've been doing concealer and a little bit of face powder, or I'll be using the ordinary serum foundation. So I think I'm going to use a little bit of this mixed with my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. Considering we're doing full glam on the eyes, let's do full glam on the face. And this is where it all comes together. I get so excited. So I'm going to take like half a pump of the Too Faced foundation, a full pump of the ordinary serum foundation, and it's really liquidy. And we're going to take a little bit of the Strobe Cream Gold Light by MAC. And I'm going to have to drag this all down my neck because it's weird, like my arms and legs and stomach and everything stay real dark like all year, but then my face and like chest get really light and then I look like super pale and weird. So I'm going to drag this all down my neck. Haven't been using a beauty blender. Don't know why, maybe just trying to save some product, but been kind of painting it on lately, even with the really natural looks I've been doing, just kind of painting it on and then buffing it in with a brush. Ooh, this is a mask today. We're going in. Happy I'm filming this because whenever I do this and I'm not filming, I'm like, fucking should have filmed. Like I try my absolute best to really shear down the foundation as much as possible and then keep the coverage in the areas I need it. But really like this eye look though. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this eye look and me putting actual effort into makeup for once. Back on the Waterweight trend, especially coming into the winter. Super dry, super dehydrated, so I'm taking a little bit of the NC30 Waterweight Concealer by MAC. And then I'm going to take 1 drop of the 25 right here, tiny touch on the top of the forehead. And then we're going to blend. I'm taking a Shop Miss A sponge. This is one of like their angled wedge ones. They're so good. Guys, go check out Shop Miss A right now. I am not sponsored. I just absolutely love their products. Been using their products for years. Super, super cheap, but the quality is definitely there depending on which product, of course. But yeah, these sponges are amazing. I'm taking the Peach Perfect powder, loose powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes with this. I'm going to take a Morphe E8 brush. It is the perfect brush for the under eye. Like, just look at this. I love this combo. The Waterweight concealer is like so hydrating, and then this just mattifies it, but it's like so thin so it doesn't like dry you out. Doesn't make your under eyes like crepe. And it smells and tastes so good. Yes, tastes. It goes in my mouth, okay? I'm just taking a big powder brush and a little bit more of that Peach Perfect powder and just going to powder my whole face. So let's bronze. I'm going to take the Mud Makeup Designery powder. It's good. It has like a nice glow, so when I add my highlighter, it doesn't like have a huge contrast, kind of just like blends. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but black up a bit. I'm going to stay back here for you guys because I feel like you guys can like actually see a little bit better. This is intense, but I feel like I kind of want to wear it. What I'm going to do is, oh my god, that's pigmented. We're going to very lightly apply that for pigment. Wow, that's actually really pretty. So I'm going to mix that with the Milani Luminoso blush, which I've been obsessed with, but it's very peachy, so. So we are going to move on to highlighter, and this is the Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby Kilowatt highlighter. I've been obsessed with this. Like, there's literally a hole, like literally a hole, and it just is so perfect for my skin. It's like a little bit gold but kind of silver, so it works with like any look, and it just goes on so beautifully. And you can see it in like cameras really well, which obviously I like. And I like to highlight the sides of my lip and the sides of my nose. I just wanted to show you guys a trick with highlighter because still to this day I see beauty gurus do this all the time and it makes me fucking cringe. And they literally just go like this, they go back and forth back and forth, and then they stop. And when you turn, you have first of all, a matte bronzer, which I already didn't do, so that if that happens, it already blends. And second of all, you just see a line of highlighter where it just stops. So I always literally drag it into the bronzer. So when you turn, your whole cheek is glowing and it doesn't look like you just have a stripe of highlighter on your face. This is actually a lip brush from MAC. It's a 228 brush, and love these little guys for the brow bone, especially when you have looks like this where you don't have a lot of room to highlight. Now we are going to work on the lower part of the eyes. So once again, we're going to start with the darkest color, and that is LoveBite. Taking that tapered brush again, and I'm going all on the lower lashes. And I'm just actually blending it directly under the black as well. So I'm actually going to switch it up a little bit and take the color Tickle, and that's actually going to go on the lower lashes to blend that dark color. I drag that quite low. I love when my shadow goes like into my dark circles. Okay, so I'm gonna now take Blackout by Urban Decay, which is the blackest black eyeshadow I've ever used. Right at the lash line, connecting to the liner. We are now going to take Crave, which is the color above Daydream, on a little lip brush, and I'm going to try to focus on those white pearlescent chunks. I'm actually going to spray this with some Fix Plus on the lower tear duct. Oh my god. Okay guys, the eyes are complete. I think my face is complete. Let's move on to the lips. So I just wanted to mention these cute ass fucking things from Hard Candy. Believe it or not, Walmart, and they are so cute. Only 4 come in each bag. But yeah, the Velvet Mousse ones are incredible. So I'm going to show you guys what this color looks like. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of lip primer. This one is from MAC, the Prep and Prime. And I'm going to take my favorite lip liner, and it's Whirl, hence why it's so tiny. Then I'm going to take my liquid liner in the black one and refill in my mole. Alright, and let's put this lippy on. It's a lot darker than I thought. I love how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know. If you guys want to see like more of like my personal life and like vlogging and stuff like that, also let me know. Really hope you guys enjoyed this fun little chit chat. Get ready with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Have a beautiful day.
That I'm never gonna stop saying. I like that.